If you feel like everything is getting more expensive in 2026, groceries, rent, bills, literally everything, you're not imagining it. And the truth is, most people can save money. They just don't know the smartest ways to start. In today's video, I'm breaking down 5 smart, fast, realistic ways to save money this year. No extreme budgeting, no complicated apps, just simple steps that actually work. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Money Mentor. If you're trying to get better with money, save more, and finally feel in control, make sure to tap that like button. It really supports the channel. Way number 1, the 30-day spending freeze. This is one of the most powerful savings hacks for 2026, and almost nobody does it. The rule is simple. For the next 30 days, freeze all non-essential spending. No impulse purchases, no random Amazon orders, no upgrades, no just browsing. Why this works so fast? It exposes emotional spending. It resets your brain to spend less so you instantly stop 60 to 70% of unnecessary expenses. How to do it without feeling miserable? Make a freeze list. Eating out, Amazon, clothing, subscriptions. Create a safe list. Groceries, track progress in your notes. You'll be shocked how much money stays in your account. Most people save $200, $500 in the first 30 days. Call to action. Try it for just 1 week first. And comment below, what's the number 1 thing you overspend on without realizing? Way number 2, the rule that saves $100, $300 month instantly. This is the rule used by thousands of smart savers, the 24-hour rule. Whenever you want to buy something non-essential, wait 24 hours. That's it. Here's why it works in 2026. Online shopping is engineered to trigger impulse buying, but 90% of the time, after 24 hours, the want disappears so you only buy what you truly value. Example, if you stop 3 impulse purchases a week, that's $50, $150 saved weekly. Over a year, that's $2,600, $7,800 saved just from waiting. Line for audience engagement. Try this today. The next time you're about to buy something, pause, set a 24-hour reminder, and let your brain decide instead of your emotions. Way number 3, cut your hidden bills. The silent money leaks. Most people lose money not because they spend too much, but because their bills slowly increase without noticing. Here are the 4 silent leaks to check in 2026. 1. Subscriptions you forgot. Streaming, fitness apps, alt trials. 2. Internet plus, phone bills that increased after promo pricing expired. 3. Insurance premiums, which often rise yearly. 4. Bank fees and card fees. Fix these fast. Call your internet provider and ask for loyalty discounts. Cancel 3 subscriptions right now. Ask insurance for annual bundling discounts. Switch to a no-fee bank account. Most people save $70, $150 month with just this step. Engagement line. Comment below with 1 subscription you found that you didn't even know you were paying for. Way number 4, the savings hack that builds itself. If you want to save money without discipline, this is your new best friend. Automatic transfers. Here's the trick. Set your bank to automatically move money into savings right after payday before you can spend it. Recommended amounts: $25 per week if you're just starting, $100 per paycheck for stable income, 10% of your income if you're consistent. Why this works? You don't feel the pain of saving. You build savings without thinking. You protect yourself from emergencies. Pro psychology tip: create a separate savings account that's hard to touch. No debit card. This turns saving into something automatic instead of emotional. Way number 5, the pay yourself first method. This is the number 1 habit of wealthy people and the fastest way to build long-term savings. Before you pay bills, before you shop, before anything, pay yourself first. This builds money confidence because you prioritize your financial growth. You always have savings. You eliminate guilt around spending. Even if you start with $10 a week, that's progress. It builds the habit and the mindset. And that's it. The 5 smart ways to save money fast in 2026. If you use even one of these strategies, you'll feel a difference. If you use all 5, you'll completely transform your money this year. Drop a comment. Which saving method are you starting today? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I've got more money saving, investing, and budgeting tips coming your way.